Hey, and welcome back to Cooking with Mama McCrazies. Y'all, today we are making some chicken and noodle soup using rice noodles because I can't use egg noodles because Talia is allergic. And yes, this chicken is clean. I cleaned it and then I froze it. That's why it's stuck together. As you can see, I am using some onion powder, garlic powder, This is my first time using the rotisserie seasoning, and it actually added really good flavor to the soup. This is my first time using turmeric. I am adding it in because of all the health benefits it provides. And you know you gotta have that black pepper. I also added ginger for the health benefits it provides. I was going to remove the chicken from the pot, let it cool and debone it, but it was so tender it was just falling off the bones. So I just took the bones out and left the chicken in there. I also pulled out the celery stalks that you saw me add on top before I covered it. While this was cooking, I popped a steamable bag of carrots in the microwave so that I can later add them to the soup. Now that the pasta is almost done, I am going to add in some cream of chicken soup. I have made this soup before without the celery, without the carrots, and it is just as good. So those are optional. I just wanted to make this fulfilling and as health conscious as possible.